Hey coffee lovers, Marc here from Whole Latte Love, and today I want to show you a couple of cool new features that we just launched on our website, 3D and augmented reality. Have you ever wanted to view one of our espresso machines up close or from a different angle than the pictures online? How about seeing what it will look like in your very own kitchen? Well, now you can do all of that with our 3D and AR experience, available on many different machines and grinders exclusively at Whole Latte Love. These new features are very easy to use, but I'll quickly go over some key differences in how they work on a desktop versus mobile phone or tablet. First, on a computer, just go to Whole Latte Love and click the banner at the top that says Experience 3D and AR. Or to see a full list of machines with this feature, type 3D up in the search bar, select the machine you'd like to try out, and on the product page, click See It in 3D and Augmented Reality. From here, a full 3D model will appear in your browser. Click and drag to rotate the machine and view it from any angle, even the bottom. To get a more detailed look, scroll up and down on your mouse to zoom into different areas. This 3D viewer is available on any platform, but if you're using a compatible cell phone or tablet, you can take the experience a step further with augmented reality. AR will use the built-in camera on your device to place a virtual machine right in your kitchen. While viewing the 3D model on your mobile device, just click the cube icon in the bottom right corner of the interface. Move the device around for a couple of seconds to calibrate the AR and watch the machine appear right in front of you. To move the machine to a different spot, just touch and drag it on the screen, then release to place it. If you want to change the orientation or scale, use 2 fingers to rotate it or to make it bigger or smaller. A simple double tap will get you back to normal size. The models are fully 3D. Try putting it on a table or island and walk around to view it from all angles. Play around, see what the machines will look like in your home, office, or anywhere else you'd like to see it. 3D and augmented reality are currently available on a bunch of machines and grinders at Whole Latte Love, and new models, we're adding them all the time. All the machines with these options can be seen by visiting Whole Latte Love or click the link up here. If you have any questions about the new 3D or the AR features, use those comments down there and I'll get back to you with some answers. I'm Marc. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and come back soon for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love. Want to learn more? Subscribe now so you'll know about the latest videos on everything coffee from Whole Latte Love.